Hey, what's up, everybody? This is your buddy, your pal, Lyndon Hawthorne, and I'm here with another unboxing. This shipped from Lakewood, Colorado, all the way to where I live in South Bend, Indiana. As always, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, please share, and check out some of my other thousands and thousands of unboxings. I collect figures. I collect a lot of different stuff. And I like talking about it. What's your favorite figure in your collection? Leave a comment and let me know. Whoa! Be careful with the knife. I say that as I almost cut myself. So please be careful. Please subscribe, please share, check out my other videos. I got some of that. We've got from the AEW Unmatched line, we've got Miro. Also on this line was Kenny Omega, Darby Allin, Dr. Britt Baker, Dustin Rhodes, and Cody Rhodes, the LJN variant. Next up, from by the way, that was number 3 in Series 1. Number 1 in Series 1, we've got from the Unmatched collection, Kenny Omega. And last but most certainly not least in this line, number 5 in Series 1, Dustin Rhodes. Very, very cool. What's your favorite figure in your collection? Do you have a favorite AEW superstar, a favorite figure? Leave a comment and let me know. I wish you the best. Please stay safe, stay happy, and watch some wrestling. Have a great day.